Split Keyboard is a great tool for managing your keyboard keys. It's easy to find and manage your keys, and it's possible to create custom keys just by looking at the interface. There are many features on Split Keyboard, but the most important is that you can use it to track your keystrokes. This is a valuable feature for people who tend to do a lot of work with their keyboards. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 best split keyboards. So, let's get started. Starting of our list at number 5, Mistel Barocco MD770. Extra resistance kicks in just before activation. Cherry MX Blue switches make a great choice for those who love tactile feedback and an audible click. The mechanical keyboard with Cherry Blue switches may be too loud for corporate workplaces. It measures only 34.5 mm tall. The split keyboard allows you to keep your wrists at an even angle, decreasing strain and pressure over time. To reduce shoulder rotation, you can adjust the width of the two halves by placing them in front of your shoulders. You can program the entire keyboard to assign macros and remappings to all keys. Key bindings can also be created so that you can personalize them to your needs, no matter if you're a programmer, gamer, or typist. Built-in memory: once keyboard keys have been set up, they can be stored in the keyboard's MCU. This means that the keyboard does not need to be reset or replaced. You can save 3 layers of configurations in order to manage multiple scenarios. This is not only great for gamers, but for designers and editors as well. Their 2-shot molding process ensures durability, stability, and legends that will not fade. Rubber feet that can tilt more aggressively. Here is the item number 4, Kinesis KB900RDQ. High-tech ergonomics to suit all body types and preferences with adjustable split, tint, and splay. The new cable storage compartment can store up to 20 inches of separation. The Cherry MX Silent, red mechanical switches have a low activation force and linear feel. They are also rated for 50mm key presses, which ensures unmatched durability. 9 customized layouts, 8 office key hotkeys. One-touch key remapping and macro recording. Pre-configured Mac or Dvorak layouts. Settings saved to keyboards. The Freestyle Pro can support up to 12 inches of separation, which is enough for most people to type at shoulder width. For those with broad shoulders, you can access the cable compartment to store an additional 8 inches. The item number 3, Mozilla Mac Wired Keyboard. This wired keyboard for Mac was designed specifically for macOS X. It is a great alternative to an iMac keyboard or MacBook keyboard. It offers comfort, functionality, and Apple-like aesthetics. The wired ergonomic keyboard incorporates a kickstand and a padded wrist cushion to reduce fatigue and discomfort when typing for long hours. Split keyboards are more comfortable than traditional desktop keyboards that force you to type in awkward positions. Instead, the keyboard divides the keys into 2 zones and is placed at an angle so your hand and forearm position can be maintained. This wired Mac keyboard has 110 keys and 21 macOS X shortcuts. It also features LED indicators that will help you complete any computer task. Number 2 in our list, Kinesis Freestyle 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. The Freestyle 2 is a flexible ergonomic keyboard that allows you to move the key modules around up to 9 inches. This will allow you to create natural hand, wrist, and forearm positions to suit your body type and preferences. The Freestyle 2 for Windows features a standard Windows layout, including hotkeys such as cut, copy, paste, and multimedia keys. There is also an embedded numeric 10 key that will boost your productivity. There is no need for special drivers or software. The Freestyle 2 features a custom membrane switch with a low activation force and tactile feedback. This reduces finger fatigue, strain, and impact. To keep your wrist straight, separate the modules and spread them to shoulder width. You can choose between the standard 9-inch or extended 20-inch separation model. The 0-degree slope and cushion palm supports accessory reduce wrist extension. The tankeyless layout allows for a smaller footprint and closer placement of the mouse to reduce overreach. The top one in our list, Parix Periboard 512. The 3D and split key design match your natural hand and arm positions. An integrated palm rest supports your wrists in a comfortable place. To reduce pressure on the keys, tactile keystrokes make typing easier. Simply plug the keyboard into your computer. It has 60 feet of Cable 7 multimedia hotkeys built in. It is a different keyboard than the standard desktop keyboard. You may need to spend a few weeks getting used to it. The integrated palm rest and curved design offer extra support for the wrist and connect the keyboard seamlessly to your wrist without placing extra pressure on your wrist or forearm. Laser printing makes keys more durable and offers better quality. It is more durable for daily intensive typing. Hotkey access to multimedia is easy with hotkeys, such as the Open browser and email volume up/down and sleep mode. It is easy to switch between different work scenarios. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best split keyboards amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.